Welcome, class. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of computers and their myriad uses. Are you ready to explore?
Yes.
Computers are versatile and indispensable. Let's take a look at some of their diverse purposes. Computers empower us to learn in innovative ways, from interactive lessons to online courses. Whether it's gaming, streaming movies, or listening to music, computers offer endless entertainment options. Staying connected has never been easier, thanks to email, social media, and video conferencing, all made possible by computers.
Computers truly are incredible tools for learning, leisure, and staying connected with others. Can anyone share how computers have impacted their daily life?
I use computers for both schoolwork and entertainment. They're like my digital best friends.
Computers aren't limited to just one domain, they're indispensable across various fields. From managing accounts to analyzing data, computers are the backbone of modern business operations. In hospitals, computers assist in everything from patient record keeping to diagnostic imaging. Engineers rely on computer aided design, CAD, software to create intricate plans and prototypes.
Computers truly revolutionize how we work and innovate in different fields. Can you think of any other areas where computers are essential?
What about agriculture? I heard farmers use computers for precision farming and managing crops.
Computers have seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, transforming how we shop, manage our homes, and work. E-commerce platforms powered by computers have revolutionized the way we shop, offering convenience at our fingertips. Smart homes utilize computers to control and manage various devices, enhancing convenience and efficiency. In offices, computers streamline tasks, manage databases, and enable collaborative work.
And so, our exploration of the uses of computers comes to a close. But remember, the world of technology is ever evolving, and there's always more to learn.